Hi folks, well this is my next restoration project. Welcome back. It's a GS450 and I've owned the bike for 17 years. It's an original and my very first rat bike. So the story goes back to July 2016 when I lost two bikes in the space of 2 weeks. Unlucky or what? First my GS450 750 blew up. Then 2 weeks later I came off the GS and the engine broke. Sorry, if I'm honest, I was too upset to tell you at the time. So today is the start of bringing the Dragonaut back from the dead. Yeah, I can't get the Dragonaut out of the corner.
Ah.
He's kind of stuck in there. Yeah. Now, do you want me to help?
No.
Thank you. Well done.
Need some oil or grease. Just sticking.
I've got a... No, you can't move that front wheel at all.
Oh, fucking kill me.
Absolutely seized.
But that's all it is.
Well done. Thank you.
Might have cleaned it first too.
Okay, I've got a replacement engine from passed on information. The electrics in it may be broken. Either way, the plan is to make one good engine out of the two. Okay folks, well, I'm starting with electrical testing. This is the connector to the pickup. Oh, well, that is dead. That's broken. These are the connectors to the stator coil. Okay, well, there's consistency. Might have life in the stator coil. Look, I've got a broken bolt, so that will need to be drilled out. Other than that, it needs a bit of a clean. Well, there's something else that needs to come off. That's a bit of the old exhaust. Well, I'm making progress. This engine's looking a lot cleaner. Okay folks, well I'm going to test the stator to ground now. Oh dear. This is worst case scenario. There's resistance there. So the stator coil is definitely broken. Yeah. Okay folks, today is all about prep work. So I'm going to get the carbs off and disconnect a few things. Now I know the pickup in this engine is good, so that will have to come out at some point. Well folks, the engines might look the same, but I've just found a difference. This goes to a gear position sensor. The connector's different on this one, only one wire, so I'll need to research. So those go to the stator coil. Well, we're getting there. Just want to test these. That's good. There's the consistency there. Okay, I'll test it to ground. Now that's fine, so it looks like the stator coil in this engine could still be working. Well, I think that's a good start for today folks. All the wiring's disconnected. I hope you've enjoyed and thanks for watching. So to be continued.